If you had one shot.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to mathematics. This is mathematics, paper 1. We are going to answer question 1. We are trying to solve for this guy here, solving for x. So this math was written in 2012, in March and November. So we're going to start with question 1.1.1, right there. So we are going to solve for this one. It says 3x squared negative 5x equals to 2. How do we do that? Easy. Just gonna say 3x squared minus 5x, and then we take this guy, and then it comes this side and it becomes negative, and all that is equal to 0. So from there, what do? We factorize, because this can be factorizable. We are able to factorize this one, so we're just going to do that. Open brackets and close them. Factorizing, all that is equal to 0. So how we are going to factorize it? Easy. We're just going to say 3x this side and put x that other side, and we do this, we do that, and then here we're going to have 2, then here we're going to have 1. Okay, this one is going to be positive and that one is going to be negative, like that. Yeah, so therefore our x is equal to minus 1 over 3, or our x is equal to 2. Okay, okay, 3x times x, it's 3x squared. 1 times negative 2, it's negative 2, and then 2x, minus 2 plus 3x, that's 5, that's negative 5x right there. Okay, and then we move on to the second one. It's question 1.1.2, solving for x. How do we do this? Easy. We're just going to say this guy times this guy, and then this guy times this guy. So it's x times x, and then x times 5. So x times x is x squared, and then we're left with 2. And then we say x times 5, and that's 5x, right? And then what do we have? What do we do? Put things in order. 2x squared, then take this 5, put things in order, and then it becomes negative 5. And then we have our 2 there, our negative 2, all that is equal to 0. So from here, I think we cannot factorize this one. We're just going to be using our quadratic formula. Okay, here's our quadratic formula, nicely there. We know that b represents 5, so it's going to be negative 5, and then plus minus the square root the square root of negative 5, negative 5 squared, sorry, here it's negative, so it's minus, so minus 4, then our a is 1, and then our c is negative 2, so all that divided by 2 times 1. So therefore go to your calculator, therefore our x should be, you just go to your calculator and type that as is, then you will, okay, where's the calculator? Where's the calculator? Okay, the answer should be 5.37, or x is equal to 5.37, or x is equal to 0.37. Type that as is into your calculator, then you get your answer. Okay, we continue with 2012 November, which was written in 2012. Okay, that one is very easy, it's already factorized, so we're just gonna say therefore, x is equal to 1/2, or x is equal to -4. Finish. And then we come to this one. This one should be easy as well. So it's it's 3x squared minus x equal to 5. We're just gonna 3x squared and negative x. We take the 5 and it becomes negative, bring it aside, and all that is equal to 0. And then we're gonna use the quadratic formula, because this we cannot factorize this. Okay, here's our quadratic formula, and then we're just gonna finish that up. Here's our quadratic formula. We're just gonna substitute what needs to be substituted. So the b is -1. Square root of this is -1 squared minus 4. Then our a is 1. No. Oh yeah, a is 3, sorry. A is 3, yeah. This is 3. Then 3 times -5. All that divided into a is what? 3. So therefore x should be, type that into your calculator as is. Let's see the calculator. Then the answer is 147, or 147, or x is equal to -114, -1.14. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna